Robert, we talk about digitalization and sometimes we get a bit carried away that everything's about digitalization and it's the only innovation that's happening in the energy industry.
Yes.
You guys are doing a lot more in kind of core business, but there's a lot of innovation going on.
Yes.
What have we got behind us here?
Yeah, this is a very nice example, and as you say rightly, digitalization is the glue that it brings all together, but you know, in the end you have also an edge topic, like an ordinary in terms of it's already there switch gears, which also need to be innovated if you want to make them more sustainable, more effective, and efficient. You need to bring them on the one hand also into the digital world, but you need to make them even better than they are. So in this sense, we have a medium voltage switchgear, which, as you see here in the grey version, it's containing SF6 gas. That's
the traditional insulation,
exactly,
which isn't the most friendly. Climate-friendly gas?
Yeah, I mean, usually we have some in the installed base worldwide, these old ones, not from Siemens, I have to say. Our leakage rates are very good, very, very good, but there are some in the world who cause some problems, so in case if you have a leakage, they are not so good for, let's say, for the climate. But the blue one, which you can see here, is a real alternative because it contains nothing else than pure air in case of a leakage.
Okay, as the insulator.
As the insulation medium, because due to our vacuum interrupted technology, we're able to see, and as you see, it has even less dimensions than the conventional one.
It's smaller, right?
Yeah, and but you said, you know, it's everybody's talking about digitalization, so it's not either or, it's bringing it to the digital world by, as you can see here, it is in such a cubicle we have also a protection device, of course, and so it brings the data also to MindSphere, to our IoT cloud platform, where you can then analyze the data and do nice things like predictive maintenance planning as well.
And that was one of the things at your press conference earlier this week was, so as you say, these things are instrumented and have been instrumented for years, so you've got the whole SCADA systems and the control systems, so the critical data goes up the line. But it was all the other data that was being collected and just sat here and didn't go anywhere. And now with MindSphere, you can take that off in, let's say, a parallel path, and then you can start doing your big data analytics and figuring out how can I use, now that I have the data, so I might as well use it, and figure out what's the right way to use it rather than just big data for big data's sake.
Yeah, I mean, you know, like I told you once, people sometimes tend to say big data as a part of the solution. I personally think big data as long as you don't know what to do with this, it's more a problem than a solution.
It's costing you money to stick it on a hard disk.
Yes, but it's a gold mine, you know, valuable information if you know how to treat them and what to do with them. And so, yes, a lot of data is in the systems available already today. You just have to take it to a place where you know what to do with this. And this is our MindSphere.
That's where that fits in. Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.